If you want to remove the stress that life has accumulated in you, let me tell you something important. Life accumulates stress and your body stores it. Think about it. A person starts their life and then life begins hitting them, blow after blow after blow. Losses, problems, difficult situations, one thing after another. And there comes a moment when the body starts to break down. But it breaks down because everything has been accumulating inside you. You see, what's happening is this. Your body is storing an energetic impact, a mass of electrical energy, of magnetism, all trapped inside with nowhere to go. But today, I'm going to share with you the ways you can release all of that, ways to restore the natural flow and bring your body back into balance. In many countries, there are really only two proven methods to remove this stress, to actually extract this accumulated electrical and magnetic energy from your body. And I'm going to teach you both of them right now. The first method is based on a fundamental law of physics. Heat destroys magnetism. Let me explain what this means for your health. In your body, electrical current and magnetism are always bound together. They're inseparable. You cannot have one without the other. And when stress accumulates in your body, it creates these tight knots, concentrations of electrical and magnetic energy that block your natural flow. Here's the key. When you apply heat, especially infrared heat, it literally breaks these magnetic bonds. It's like untying a knot that's been pulled so tight you thought it would never come loose. Now, there's a reason why human beings for thousands of years have sought out hot springs and thermal waters. These aren't just relaxing, they're deeply therapeutic. When you immerse yourself in these healing waters, several things happen simultaneously. The heat begins breaking apart those electrical and magnetic knots. Your blood vessels dilate and circulation improves dramatically. Inflammation throughout your body begins to subside. Chronic conditions that have plagued you for years, arthritis, high blood pressure, persistent pain, they begin to ease. People have reversed serious health conditions using thermal baths, not because the water is magical, but because heat removes the energetic blockages that were preventing your body from healing itself. But I understand that not everyone lives near natural hot springs. Most of us don't have easy access to these geothermal healing waters. So, what's the alternative? There's a technology that brings this same infrared healing right into your home. It uses semi-precious stones, particularly amethyst, that when heated electrically emit the same kind of deep penetrating infrared energy that you'd find in natural hot springs. You lie down on a mat embedded with these stones, and that infrared heat goes deep into your tissues. Unlike surface heat that only warms your skin, infrared energy penetrates inches into your body, reaching muscles, joints, and organs. What happens is remarkable. This deep heat activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your nervous system responsible for rest, healing, and recovery. It's the opposite of the stressed fight-or-flight state that most people live in constantly. The infrared breaks apart those magnetic knots, opens up circulation, reduces inflammation, and gives your body the conditions it needs to heal from chronic pain, arthritis, and even supports people dealing with serious illnesses. Now, the second method is even simpler but equally powerful: direct contact with the earth. Here's what most people don't realize. Your body is an electrical system. Every thought, every heartbeat, every movement, it's all electrical. And in modern life, you're constantly being charged with electrical energy from stress, from electronic devices, from the very environment you live in. But here's the problem. You have no way to discharge. Look at what we wear on our feet. Every shoe manufactured today has a rubber sole, and rubber is a perfect insulator. It completely blocks electrical current. So when you put your feet inside of rubber-soled shoes and you walk through your day, all that electrical charge building up in your body has absolutely no way to escape. You're being charged constantly, but you never discharge. It's like a dam with water flowing in but no outlet. Eventually, the pressure becomes unbearable. The solution is beautifully simple. Remove the barrier. Take off your shoes, take off your socks, and place your bare feet directly on the earth. It could be grass, it could be soil, it could be sand on a beach, it doesn't matter. The earth itself is a massive conductor that will naturally draw out that excess electrical charge from your body. When you make this connection, skin to earth, the discharge begins immediately. All that accumulated electrical energy that's been causing inflammation, pain, and disrupting your body's natural healing system starts flowing out of you and into the ground. 10 to 15 minutes a day. That's all it takes to see profound changes. So whether you're dealing with arthritis, chronic pain, inflammation, or you're supporting your body through serious illness, this daily practice of connecting to the earth can create what many people call miraculous results. So now you know both methods, two simple but profound ways to release the accumulated electrical and magnetic charge that life has stored in your body. First, infrared heat. Whether from natural thermal springs or from infrared technology in your own home, heat that breaks the magnetic bonds and opens your circulation. Second, grounding. Simply removing your shoes and connecting your bare skin to the earth, allowing the excess electrical charge to drain away naturally. These methods work because they address the root cause, the accumulated energetic charge that creates blockages in your body's natural healing system. You don't need complicated treatments. You don't need dangerous interventions. You need to give your body what it's been asking for, a way to release what it's been holding so it can return to its natural state of health and vitality. The power to heal has always been within you. Now you know how to unlock it. Don't forget to subscribe for more wisdom and life-changing content.